Hey everyone, welcome back to the tenorshare channel. If you're here, it's probably because your iPhone is giving you trouble. Stuck on the Apple logo or caught in a restart loop. No matter what you try, nothing seems to work. Don't worry. These issues are often caused by a system bug, a failed update, or even overloaded storage. The good news is, you might not need a trip to the repair shop or a hardware replacement. Instead, let's see how we can fix it right from home. Let's dive in. First up, let's try a force restart. It's super easy to do, and the best part is, you won't lose any of your data. Press and quickly release the volume up button, then the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until you see the Apple logo reappear. This method works for most iPhone glitches and bugs. It's totally safe, and it works on most iPhones. So give it a try first. If you have iPhone 6 or 7 series, just press these two buttons together to force restart your phone, and release the buttons when the Apple logo reappear will be okay. If the force restart does the trick, great. But before you go, let's make sure this doesn't happen again. Open Settings, tap on General, and then go to iPhone Storage. Check if your storage is running low. It's super common for iPhones to freeze or act up when there's barely any space left. If that's the case, take some time to delete unused apps, photos, videos, or large files. Don't forget, you can also back up your stuff to iCloud or transfer files using the Files app to free up space. Also, misconfigured settings can sometimes cause your iPhone to malfunction. Resetting all settings can help resolve the issue. This won't erase your data, but will reset your device's settings to their default state. Check if your phone works normally after the reset. Now, if the force restart didn't work for you, don't stress. We've got another solid solution that can repair your phone without data loss. You can use a system repair tool called ReiBoot. With its AI technology, it can fix over 150 issues for your Apple devices without losing your data. Here, I will give you a quick walkthrough. You can just download ReiBoot on your computer and connect your iPhone. If you want to fix your phone without data loss, you can click the green button here. Choose Standard Repair to avoid data loss. Deep repair will cause data loss, but it also could repair more difficult problems. Let's try the standard repair first. If your phone can't be detected, follow the guide to enter recovery mode on your phone. Just like hard reset, but press a little longer. Release the buttons when the support interface displays, and follow the on-screen instructions to download the matching firmware. Then you can repair your system. ReiBoot will fix the issue without causing data loss. Quick and easy. Okay, now your phone is back to normal, and all your app and photos are saved. Another option is to use iTunes to update or restore your iPhone. Connect your device to a computer and open iTunes. After this, you need to enter recovery mode on your phone. The process is similar to a force restart, but you need to hold the side button longer. Release the buttons when the support interface displays, and iTunes prompts you about detected problems. Then you'll be presented with two options. If your phone didn't update it to the latest iOS, you could try the update option again. If this is not helping, or your phone is already updated to the latest version, you need to restore it, but this will cause data loss. You can wait for it to see what happened. If iTunes prompts you with an error that you can't update your phone, and you don't want to restore your phone with it, you can try using ReiBoot to do a system repair to fix this without data loss. If none of these methods solve the problem, it's best to seek help from Apple support. Visit the official Apple support website, choose your iPhone model, and describe your issue. You may also need to take your device to an Apple store for professional assistance. And that's it. With these steps, you should be able to fix your iPhone that's frozen on Apple logo or stuck on a boot loop. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the tenorshare channel for more easy fixes and tips. Thanks for watching. and we'll see you in the next one.